Cash Giraffe can display reward values differently depending on your account, device, region, or payout method. So seeing an unexpected currency does not automatically mean your rewards have disappeared. By the end, you'll know which settings to check when Cash Giraffe shows the wrong currency, and what to do if the display does not change after restarting the app. Start by checking your phone's region settings. On Android, open Settings and look for Language and Region, or a similar regional setting. On iPhone, open Settings, select General, then Language and Region. Confirm that your country or region is set correctly. Next, check whether Cash Giraffe itself provides a currency or country setting. If the app offers a regional setting, make sure it matches the country where you currently use the service. Then completely close Cash Giraffe and reopen it. Currency information may not refresh until the app starts a new session. Check your internet connection as well. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, reopen Cash Giraffe, and check the reward balance again. A connection problem can prevent account information from refreshing correctly. You should also check for an available Cash Giraffe update. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Cash Giraffe, and install any available update. Then restart your phone and check the balance again. If you recently changed your phone's country, SIM card, region, or account settings, don't assume the displayed currency will immediately change. Reward and payout information can be tied to account or service availability, rather than simply the currency selected on your phone. Also, check the actual cash-out screen. The currency shown in your general reward balance may not be presented exactly the same way as the currency or value associated with a particular withdrawal option. Do not create a second Cash Giraffe account just to test another currency. That can create a separate account instead of fixing the original display. If the currency remains incorrect after checking your region, restarting the app, updating Cash Giraffe, and testing your connection, take screenshots of both the balance and cash-out screens. Then contact Cash Giraffe support through its available support or contact option. Include your account email, country or region, phone model, operating system version, Cash Giraffe app version, and the currency you expected to see. Explain whether the wrong currency appears only in the balance, only during cash-out, or throughout the entire app. That distinction gives support a clearer picture of the problem. The best troubleshooting order is simple. Verify your device region, check Cash Giraffe's available regional settings, restart the app, update it, and inspect the cash-out screen. If the currency still looks wrong, document the exact screens and contact support, rather than creating another account. Your next step is to check your phone's region settings before changing anything else. If this fixed your Cash Giraffe currency problem, like the video and subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides.